friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're liking my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. First we'll fold this cardstock. We are making a Women's Day card. This is a super easy card. A kid can also make it. We need this strip of 1 centimeter. By how long you want, how much big 8 you want, we will just make a very simple fold. See this, and we'll apply first a glue here and then just fold it in this manner and secure the place with the glue. When it is dry, just turn this one here in this manner. You can do it below also. So just apply glue here. This manner. So this is our 8. See how lovely it looks. We need a toothpick and a paper, a strip of paper. So I'll apply a bit glue over here on the edges, and we'll stick this paper in this manner. Sort of flag, and now with the help of pencil I'll just hold the pencil in a cross manner and just roll this paper this way and just leave it this way. Now we'll write here March. Just open it again, we'll roll it here. Now let this dry, otherwise the ink will spread. So we'll come to other part. Let this dry. And then see, I have already written the sentiments here. Women's Day. We'll stick this 8 here, and this Women's Day here. First we'll stick this. For this you have to just apply a glue on the edge, only 2 sides, here and here, and just place it here in the center and hold it for a while. Just let it dry. See, I have glued this. Now let it dry. Don't touch because it is very difficult to stick this. Now we'll roll this again in this manner and just leave it. See this. Now I'll stick this here. Just apply a bit glue only because it will spread. This here. Just place it where you want to stick. This manner. If you want, you can just stick this also, but I'll leave it in this manner only. See, when you will tap, this will look in this form. 8th March. And now we'll stick the sentiments. You can stick the sentiment here also, but I'll stick it in here. Just glue it. See, this card is ready now. I have stick the sentiments in. You can write the message also here. See how elegant and beautiful and simple and quick with the materials that are available at home. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty, and happy Women's Day to all the women out there. Thank you.